My name is Reynaud, and this track is made available for use by anyone, and no attribution or compensation is expected. Okay. Wow, look who's here. I thought you weren't coming. Oh, I see. Put your coat over there and grab a drink. So, where were we? Oh, yeah, so my boss says to me, I need to work late. And I tell him, if he wants me to work late, he's gonna have to pay me to work overtime, damn it. You think he likes that? What'd he do? He told me that he can get a college grad to do my job for half the price. Son of a bitch. Well, I told him, try it. Hey, are those snacks fresh? I don't think so. Oh, let me have one. Mmm, tasty. Tasty. Ow! Ow! What is this, a snail? I think I chipped a tooth! Oh! Excuse me. Excuse me. I better go call a dentist. Oh no, look who just walked in. Can you believe her wearing a dress like that? That's not his wife. So not his wife. I'm so excited. This is my first time at a soiree like this. Isn't that too adorable? Who's got the glasses? Isn't there anything to drink? I hope you don't mind, but we're going to have to leave early. I'm here. The party could start. Anytime? I definitely need another one. That was the babysitter. We need to go. Oh, I don't think so. So I says to her, I says. What was I talking about? Johnny, are you sure somebody didn't spike this? Okay, take a look at the gorgeous one in the corner. No, the redhead. That's a guy? I really don't think we're at the right party.